member for the county assembly did apologize.
Umuthi ari thiku ya keri ya guthikiriria Ndereti ya kuhagura governor wa county ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza. Gikaro kiria kirathie na mbere mbungeini ya senate ya bururi. Kawira Mwangaza hamwe na mawakiri yake ni marugamirie aira ana ario Nicholas Kinyua, Adrian Arayu, Dickson Munene hamwe nake ari umwe wao magitetera itua ria keri ya gukana thitango mugwanja iria thitangirwo ni mbunge ya county ya Meru.
Bishop Kawira Mwangaza, do solemnly swear that the evidence that I shall give before the Senate in respect to the matter before the Senate shall be the truth and the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help me God.
Mwena-ini wake Kawira Mwangaza ni atariria ati kuhagurwo gwake gucungurirwo ni Muthingi wa kiuteti, kuona ati we ni erutaniirie gutungatira muingi wa county ya Meru, no atongoria a county yo makoretwo magitabania micemania ya kiuteti ya kumumenereria.
And they recruited so many young men for that purpose, and they have been holding rallies almost in all towns in Meru, doing the same over the weekends. Honorable Speaker, I want to say this is purely politics.
Oho Mwangaza ni atariria ati akoretwo akirutithania wira wega na ajumbe a county ya Meru otiga mieri iri mithiru riria maundu magarurukire, kuona ati au kabere ni athikiriria mataro ma masenator maria aheirwo igeri-ini riake ria mbere ria kumuhagura.
That is not true. Yes. To the best of your knowledge, for how long have you been having an harmonious working relationship with members of county assembly?
We've been working together with the members of county assembly until the last almost 2 months only.
The last 2 months?
Yes.
Are you talking about the month of August and September?
August and September.
Yes. So it is your evidence that throughout the year, save for the 2 months, you have been in a perfect working relationship with members of county assembly.
Extra perfect relationship working with members of county assembly.
What made it possible for you to have this harmonious working relationship with the members of county assembly?
Agitetera tafarira yake ya okolea na kuona ati ni ikoretwo igiakiriria na kuhiuhia ituge county-ini ya Meru. Kawira Mwangaza augite ati tafarira iyo ikoretwo ikihuthira mbeca ciake kiumbe, kuona ati mbunge ya county ya Meru ndiri kigina yahitukiria budget-ini gia kunyitirira tafarira iyo.
He says as the county assembly of Meru, they are the ones that pass the budget, and they have never passed any coin to be utilized in the Korea program. It is purely my project to assist the disadvantaged people in our community. And he, as part of the well-wisher, that very early morning, gave me 100,000 shillings to fuel my vehicle.
Riu itua ria muico ritigitwo moko-ini ma mbunge ya senate, kuria masenator merigiriirwo gucuka miti niguo kumuhagura kana kumukindira wabiciini, na niguo kumuhagura no nginya masenator 24 macuke miti makinyita mbaru Ndereti iyo. Hihi Kawira Mwangaza ni akwirisha rita ria keri moko-ini ma mbunge ya senate. Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Chege wa Njohi.